I need to travel now. I'm on the move. I'm on the move. I'm on the move. On the move. Brighton Beach 6. And Neptune Avenue. Neptune Avenue. On the move. Let's just see what I see on this shot on the move. Let's make it shake a little. I'm not going to do this one very steady. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake. Travel at 6 miles per hour. Let's just see what I see. See what I see. Yeah, what I hear. I need to travel now. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. I'm seeing buildings. I'm seeing traffic lights. I'm seeing allegedly humans. Allegedly. I'm hearing humans. Allegedly, I'm seeing people. I got to slow down, so I'm going back on the road. Got to slow down. Trying not to remember just what happened before I went recording. Trying not to have to remember. Let's see what I see. Yeah, what I hear. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. I'm traveling. You get it from one location to another. What I see. Yeah, what I hear. I need to travel now. I'm traveling. Know what I know. Guess what I guess. I need to travel now. So I'm traveling. I'm traveling. I'm traveling. Should I crop a little? Okay, so right now, in a busy corner here. These people jaywalk. Should I jaywalk? See what I see? Yeah, what I hear. I need to travel now. I'm traveling. Sorry. See what I see? No, what I know. I need to travel now. So I'm traveling, getting, should I say, oh, it's not live, so I'll say it. I'm heading straight to Stillwell Avenue. And this is what I'm seeing, this is what I'm hearing. I just moving in time. Here in Brooklyn. Today is October 5th, 3:47 in the PM. And I'm moving, I'm traveling. I'm getting from one location to another. And you seeing what I see? Yeah, what I hear. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. Okay, see all this? I'm doing the wide lines. Giving you a wide line shot. giving you a wide angle view of what's going on right now. I wanted to reach another location early, but it is what it is. I'm not going to reach there early. It's not big commitments I have, but I'm going to make it. Put it this way. See what I see? Yeah, what I mean. I need to travel now. Yeah, I'm traveling. No, what I know. Go there and go. I need to travel now. Go, I'm traveling. See what I see? Yeah, what I hear. Okay. You never know what's coming. That's life. You could try to predict, you could try to average, you could try to guess what's ahead of you. But every now and then, reality will throw a wrench. And things will go exactly where you didn't expect it to go. That's the... depends on your frame of mind. That could be what's entertain you in life. That will keep you not bored. And for some, that will make them panic. So West 5th Street and Neptune Avenue right now. You see new buildings going up. Kids all from school. I see the train gonna have a lot of them. I'm going to the beginning. So yeah, I'm going to where the train starts. So hopefully it won't be, I could get on before it gets too crowded. Just getting off gonna be a crowded situation. It's gonna be a crowded getting off the train. Battling. Thank you. It'll be a crowded battle to get off the train, but I'm going there. Thank you.
I didn't see it.
So I'm traveling. Know what I know after I know. I need to travel now. So I'm traveling. I know after I know. I need to travel now. So I'm traveling. What I see, yeah, what I see. Technically, the boardwalk does be better because when you're on the boardwalk, you don't have to slow down for all these bumps. You're just going straight. So, in the long run, the boardwalk is the fastest way. You're just going 6 miles. I can go 6 miles per hour for like 98% of the trip. You just don't be distracted over there. Just a distracting over there. This is crazy, man. This life thing. This life thing is crazy. Probably should have gone the next side. It's a little faster over there. Yeah, you could just see sidewalk is smooth. 6 miles an hour. I'm just cruising straight until I reach where I'm going. Then garage, so I'm gonna slow down. Yeah, what I hear. See what I see. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. But why the high pitched voice? But that's what I do. That's what I'm feeling. Let's look back and see. What's in the back? What's in the back? What's in the front? What's in the back? What's on the side? Okay, this is under the train tracks into Manhattan. B, F, D, Q, and